2015 Chevy Suburban. Yeah, the other day I replaced the spark plugs, but I didn't put the wires until after I put the spark plug. Because after I put the spark plugs, I still had the same misfire. And I'm like, damn, what the fuck it is? So I started checking my wires. And yo, when you put these wires on, you got to be careful when you put them right here. Because mine had broke the piece that goes, it's like a metal piece that goes inside the coil. But that broke on the wire. So as I'm listening to the motor, I hear number 6, like. So once I checked the wire, that wire was broke. I'm like, oh my god! The whole time I knew it was on the spark plugs. Those motherfuckers was $12.99. I paid $105 for 8, and the whole time was the wire. So before you start spending money, always check. Because I did it backwards. I didn't check the wires before I checked the spark plug instead of checking the wires before the spark plugs. But you always learn. At least I got now the spark plugs and the wire brand new. So yeah. So before it happened to you like it happened to me, start spending money, check it first. Because the misfire, it came from the wire, not the spark plugs. That's it. 5.3 LT motor. Shit, this motherfucker like a baby. What's that?